Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can transfer USDT from Gate.io to Binance. So first thing, you just have to open your Binance. So from here, you just have to go to wallet at the bottom right, then tap on spot. So once you're here, you just have to tap on add funds and then just tap on this one and then go to on-chain deposit. So once you tap on that, you just have to search here your USDT, or you can also just click on this one if it shows on the result. So that's it. So you just have to choose the network. So make sure you choose the Polygon or the POS. And then from here, just have to copy this one by clicking on this copy button. And then once you have copied the wallet address, go ahead and open the Gate.io. So once you're here, go to the assets, just here. And then you should also be on the spot. So once you're here, you just have to tap on withdraw and then select the cryptocurrency. So since we're transferring USDT, just have to search for USDT and then click on the on-chain withdrawal. So you just have to paste here the wallet address. So you paste in there, and then for the network, you have to choose the same network that we have chosen from the Binance. So that is Polygon. So we click on the Polygon here, and then also the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. So let's say, for example, just one. So once you're done with that, it will show here the withdraw button. So you just have to click on it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you transfer USDT from Gate.io to Binance. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.